this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Suzuki Vitara, stock number 6402. This ran from the 8th 2008 to the 12th 2018. It has a J2 4B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a J2 4B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard no damage, left front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, front bonnet no damage, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 3 dents, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door 2 dents, right front door 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front guard no damage, right front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,